Hi there! Today I have a very special treat for my fellow bird lovers. I have the red-bellied woodpecker. I hope you enjoy. So just a quick little note, I have been trying to capture this gorgeous, magnificent bird on film for several months now. But every time I get within like 25 feet of him, he flies away. So I was thrilled when I was able to get this close to him. Of course, my good camera wasn't working, but I was just happy to get him on film anyway. So I really hope you enjoy this video as much as I did making it. Thank you. Bye.